Solid and solid surface, bulk and surface. The composition and structure of a solid in bulk and on surface can differ due to surface contamination, bombardment by foreign molecules when exposed to an environment, surface enrichment. Some elements or compounds tend to be enriched driving by the thermodynamic properties of the bulk and surface component on surface than in bulk. Deliberately made different in order for solid to have specific properties. Coating, conductivity, hardness, corrosion resistant, doping the surface of solid with specific active components in order to perform certain functions such as catalysis. Two processes that occur on surface such as corrosion, solid sensors and catalysis, the composition structure, usually number of layers of surface are of critical importance. Morphology of a solid and its surface. A solid so as its surface can be well structured, crystalline, diamond, carbon nanotubes, NaCl, sugar ADC or amorphous non-crystalline, example gas. Mixture of different crystalline of the same substance can coexist on surface, monoclinic, tetragonal, cubic, zirconium dioxide. Well-structured crystalline and amorphous can coexist on surface. Both well-structured crystalline and amorphous solids and solid surface. Defects and dislocation on surface crystalline structure. A perfect crystal can be made in a surface defect, terrace, step, kink, atom, vacancy, dislocation, screw dislocation. Defects and dislocation can be desirable for certain catalytic reactions, and these may provide the required surface geometry for molecules to be adsorbed, beside the fact that these sites are generally highly energized. Pores of porous solids. Pore sizes. Micropores, diameter of pores is less than 20 to 50 nanometer. Mesopores, its diameter is between 200 nanometer to 20 nanometer to greater than 20 nanometer and less than 200 nanometer. Macropores, diameter of pores is greater than 200 nanometer. Pores can be uniform, example polymers, and non-uniform, most metal oxides. Pore size distribution. Typically caused to characterize pore sizes: cumulative curve, frequency curve, uniform size distribution, non-uniform size distribution, cumulative curve and